Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Jay Gallus here to do a quick unboxing of something that I just got in the mail. I'm excited to see it. I wanted you guys to see it too. It's actually something I purchased, not for myself, but for my wife. You guys know I'm into tech. The person that recommended this was your average consumer. So this is for my wife. As you can see, is a tri-fold LED lighted makeup mirror. So basically any female that wear makeup can actually use this, because it comes with 3 different mirrors, and it comes with this little mirror right here. This little mirror is like a 10 times enhanced zoom, so you can see everything perfect. It has lights in the mirror itself, and if you can see right here, it says touch sensor switch. So it has a sensor switch, and as you can see, it's 180 rotation degree. So let's unbox this thing. This will be the dock. Put this to the side, and let's see if we can get this part out. And nice, it's not too big, which is good. This is the actual mirror, and basically this opens, boom, boom, and then this is the little mirror that goes on it, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. And if I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to come with its own power wire. Yep, comes with its own power wire. So basically this, and it's micro USB. So basically this is, you need is a power brick to go into here and get it to work. So basically this is just makes it easier for them to do their makeup, so you didn't have to worry about the light in the roof not being bright enough. This actually is made just for that, so they can do everything perfectly fine. But you already know what it is. I'm gonna hook it up and I guess show you guys how it look. If you guys are interested, leave a comment below. If not, then I'll just leave it as that and just think that you guys didn't really care for it. All right, this is Jay Gallus. You already know what it is. Peace.